Celery juice is often called a healthy morning drink. But what does it actually provide? Is it good for digestion or energy? Or is it just another health trend? Today, we'll look at celery juice using simple nutrition facts, not hype. In this video, you'll learn nutrients found in celery juice, how many calories and how much sugar in celery juice, is it good for digestion, best time of day to drink celery juice, how to drink safely for older adults, and who should avoid or limit celery juice. Let's get started. What is celery juice? Celery juice is made by blending or juicing fresh celery stalks and removing most of the fiber. It's mostly water, which makes it light, refreshing, and easy to drink. Vitamins and minerals in celery juice. Celery juice contains small amounts of important nutrients, including vitamin K, which supports normal blood clotting, vitamin C, which plays a role in immune function, potassium, which helps with fluid balance, folate, important for normal cell function. While it's not a vitamin-rich replacement for vegetables, it does contribute to daily nutrient intake. Calories and sugar content in celery juice. One of the reasons celery juice is popular is because it is very low in calories, naturally low in sugar. Compared to fruit juices, celery juice does not cause a strong sugar spike, making it a lighter beverage choice. Celery juice and digestion. Some people find celery juice easy to digest because it is mostly water and free of heavy fats or added sugars. However, because juicing removes fiber, it should not replace whole vegetables, which are important for gut health. Best time of day to drink celery juice. Some people prefer celery juice in the morning, while others enjoy it later in the day. Drinking it on an empty stomach may feel lighter for digestion, but there is no single best time for everyone. Seniors should choose a time that feels comfortable and fits their routine. How to drink celery juice safely. If you choose to drink celery juice, use fresh, well-washed celery. Avoid adding sugar or sweeteners. Start with a small amount. Drink it alongside a balanced diet. Who should avoid or limit celery juice? People with kidney problems, low blood pressure, or those taking medications should consult a healthcare professional. Celery juice is not a cure or miracle drink, but as part of a healthy lifestyle, it can be a low-calorie, refreshing vegetable juice option. Balance, variety, and whole foods matter most. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor or healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or treatment plan. The information shared here is collected from top medical research sources